Hello kids, in Environment Studies of class 5th, we have already read chapter number 17, Water, a Valuable Natural Source. And I hope you have fully understood it. Today, we will answer question number 7, 9, 10 and 11. Now, first we will answer question number 7. List the properties of pure water. And as we have read in the chapter, the properties of water are: first, pure water is colorless. Second, pure water is tasteless. Third, pure water has no odor. And the fourth one is water has no shape of its own. It acquires the shape of the container in which it is poured. Now, question number 9 is: how can the dissolved salt be separated from water? To answer this, we need to revise the activity, and as I will explain, similarly you need to write it. Its very first step is to dissolve salt in water. Now, pour this salt water in the pan and put it on the gas. Keep the water boiling until its whole water gets evaporated, leaving behind the salt in the pan. Kids, this is the same salt that we have dissolved in the water. Hence, this is the way with which we can separate dissolved salt from water. Now, our next question is question number 10. What is evaporation? Give some examples. And its answer is: as the temperature increases, the liquid changes into vapors or converts into its gaseous form. This process is known as evaporation. Drying of wet floor after mopping, drying of clothes, etc. are its examples. Here in both examples, water evaporates from the floor and wet clothes. Now, next question is question number 11. When does a thing float on water? Kids, some things float on the water, but some things sink into it. As here we have one piece of wood and another a ball of iron. When we put wooden block in the water, it starts floating. But when we put iron ball, it sinks into the water. Can you tell why it happens? Kids, ships, though large in size and heavy in weight, floats on water. Many other large-sized things also float on water. So, we will answer the question like this. The thing that displaces more water than its weight floats on the water. Now kids, it's time of your homework. And for that, you need to write the answers of these questions in your notebook neatly and learn them by heart.